What's up guys, welcome to Apex and welcome to another customization video in which I'm showcasing a brilliant KWGT widget pack called Square. First, let me take you through what's on offer on this widget pack, and then I will briefly explain you how you can set them up on your phone's home screen. As you can see here, some of the widgets on this pack makes us feel nostalgic for the Windows phone we used a few years ago, and some other widgets make the home screen look as if your phone is running on Windows 11. These are very uniquely designed widgets which make use of the entire screen real estate. At the same time, we get all the important application shortcuts we need right here on the widget, which eliminates the need to add application icons separately on the home screen. Some of the shortcuts don't work by default. I will show you how you can make it work in the later part of this video, so keep watching. Now, apart from turning your home screen into Windows theme, this pack offers some beautiful looking widgets which are pleasing to the eyes. Alright, now before I brief you on how you can set them up on your phone, let me first inform you that this is not a standalone application. You need to first install KWGT application and buy the KWGT Pro key to use any of the premium KWGT apps like Square KWGT. Now for this video, the developer was kind enough to offer 30 promo codes for giveaway. I will share them on first come first served basis. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, leave a comment and DM me on Twitter or Facebook. These are limited codes, so only a few of you will be getting them. Anyways, now let's go ahead. This widget can be set up on your One UI home launcher or any third-party launchers like Nova. I would suggest you to use Nova launcher to better customize the home screen. To set the widget, all you need to do is press and hold on the home screen. Search for custom widget. We will have multiple options here. Select any one and add it to the home screen. You can resize this widget depending on the kind of widget you are going to use. Now here I will expand this widget to the entire screen and add one of the Windows themed widgets. So to add the widget, just tap on this particular blank widget. This is where the KWGT application opens up. You will be able to see the Square KWGT provided you have downloaded this pack. I'll tap on this. Now you can select the one you want. Let me just select this particular one. Now here, if you see the widget is not fitting into the frame properly, you can resize it. All you need to do is tap on layer. We've got scaling option here. Tap on this. You can increase or decrease the values here depending on the size you want to make it fit into the widget frame. And then just save the widget. Now let's go to the home screen. As you can see, this widget is amazing. It looks beautiful and it also offers plenty of shortcuts here. As you can see, there are various app icons here in square shapes. It looks exactly like the theme which we had on Windows phones. Now when we tap on this icon, let's say Twitter or Instagram, this takes you directly to the application. That is very functional indeed. Now here, some of the shortcuts may not work. For example, we have got note shortcut here. When I tap on this, it doesn't open up the notes, but we can make it work. We just have to add a shortcut for this particular icon here. Now to do that, just tap on any of the blank space in between these icons. It will take you to the KWGT application. At the bottom, you will see stacked group. Just tap on this. Now here you will find a different stacked group. We need to locate the stacked group in which this note icon is located. Let me start from the bottom one. As you can see, I'll tap the bottommost one. This is selecting the last stacked group. I'll just go back. I'll tap on the second from the bottom. As you can see, it is selecting this particular area. I'll just go back again. I'll tap the third one. Now it is selected this particular row. Now here we need to select overlap group. The first one is for Twitter. Let me go back. Let me try the third one. As you can see now, this note icon is selected. Here we will be able to select a shortcut for this particular icon. All you need to do is tap on touch. Now here we will be able to select the application. Let me tap on this apps option. The entire list of applications available on your phone will be displayed here. Select the one you want. Now for this shortcut, we need to set Samsung Notes. Let me select Samsung Notes here and then tap on save. If you want to set any other application for that particular icon, you will be able to set it. Just select the application you want right here under the touch section for that particular shortcut. Now let's go back to the home screen. Now when I tap on Notes, I will be able to open Samsung Notes application. Likewise, if any of these icons are not working or not responding to your touch, go ahead, set the application you want for that particular icon. If you dig a little deep into the customization options on the KWGT application, you will be able to change the size or colors of these icons within this particular widget. Now this is applicable for all the widgets in this pack as well as all the KWGT widgets across the platform. This is how we are going to customize it. That's all I have here in this video. Certainly this is an amazing KWGT widget pack. Go ahead and check it out and let me know your thoughts about it in the comment section below. I'm hoping that you have already subscribed to the channel. If you haven't done it already, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, and a smash on that like button would also be much appreciated. That's about it. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.